Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to end a campaign on eBay ads. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you start to run eBay ads, but you find that it's not necessarily working. How do you actually go ahead and end a campaign on eBay ads? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your eBay account. Next, you're going to click on Sell. And then from here, you want to go ahead and highlight where it says Advertising and then click on Campaigns. Now, this is the really important step, guys. Once you're showing your campaigns here, for example, I only have one campaign running right now, which is Pokemon Raw Singles. You want to click on the checkbox of the one that you want to end and then click on End. Now you have multiple options here. You can either pause the campaign. I never recommend that you actually delete a campaign unless you have so many campaigns, just because you might want to resume it or duplicate it in the future so that you can run it again. But if you want to go ahead and end it, you can either end it or pause it, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and end a campaign on eBay ads. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.